Ever looked at your old shed and imagined it as a cozy living space? Well, you're in the right place. We're diving into 8 easy steps to turn that humble shed into a charming tiny house. Stay tuned as we guide you from the basics of choosing a location to adding the final furnishings. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose a location. Your shed's location determines its access to essential utilities. If you're planning a relocation, always check with utility service providers first. Before any move, ensure you have water, power, and sewer connections available in your desired spot. Step 2. Lay a shed foundation. For a shed-turned home filled with furnishings and appliances, a robust foundation like a concrete slab is a must. Skilled at DIY, pouring the concrete yourself can be a cost-saving move, but always ensure it's correctly done. Step 3. Seal up cracks. A cozy home is a sealed home. Protect your space from drafts, pests, and water by diligently sealing all potential entry points. Use a sealant suitable for your shed's material, be it wood, metal, or something else, ensuring optimal protection. Step 4. Connect utilities. Setting up utilities is more than just lights and power. Think about water and sewage alternatives like compostable toilets. Always ensure your shed meets local regulations and passes inspections before connecting utilities. Step 5. Add insulation. To enjoy your tiny house in every season, insulation is key. It helps regulate temperature and manage moisture. Metal sheds. Consider woven fiberglass or spray foam. Always match insulation material with shed type for best results. Step 6. Perform interior finishes. Now, let's make it look like a home. Start with drywall, cabinets, counters, and your choice of flooring. Remember, with tiny houses, intelligent use of space is critical. Incorporate multifunctional elements wherever possible. Step 7. Complete external finishes. Enhance your shed's curb appeal. Think of siding, a fresh paint job, outdoor lighting, and more. Ensure that your external finishes complement the rest of your property for a harmonious look. Step 8. Furnish and enjoy. The fun part. Use space-saving, multifunctional furniture to maximize utility and comfort in your tiny home. Consider futons, wall-mounted desks, and fold-down tables. Go for appliances that fit snugly without compromising on utility like a mini fridge or portable electric burner. And there you have it, your shed transformed into a cozy tiny house ready for you to relax or even work in. Now, if you need a shed for way less than most people pay, you should check out the prefabricated sheds at Allen's Factory Outlet. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your shed. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.